Happy birthday, Tahalia! Today is February 8, 2018, and it's the second birthday of Tahalia. And she's eating chicken. And I'm eating pinapaitang kambing and kilawing kambing. Ha? See you later, guys! Happy birthday, Tahalia! Say happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Okay? Birthday, Tahalia! Wow, kumain chicken! That's your chicken? Yes, yes, eat na eat! You like chicken? Okay, bite your chicken.